We're now outside Rakhavian Darbar. We thought let's go and check it out and see what's basically have a closer look inside. Why not? So we now enter. Mind the pipe, Zidane. Mind the pipe. Step over it. And again. Yeah, with my boy. And we thought, well, let's have a look. I'd rather make a drone footage of this place. So now I thought I'll have a closer look. Let's check this. Let's go here first. Yeah, these places are like the places that are made for like really like religious people, such as beads and so on, and they bury them here and they have their own special place. And this is a tombstone. You can see someone's left some money there. And I remember visiting Ankar Darbar, and it's a very similar setup. You see the decorations here. So they all look very similar to this. And people leave their, when they get married, the groom leaves their pug, known as a sehra, and they leave it here. And yeah, interesting. One out. You can see the view from here as well, it's quite nice. Got another one here as well, so there's two. So it's known as Rakhavian Darbar. But one thing I don't get is though, there's no name of who's buried here. That's the only thing. Let's come inside. So yeah, again, similar setup. You can see similar thing. Somebody again buried here, and you can see a bit of the work coming off, so it's chipping away due to maybe damp, so needs a bit of maintenance work. Yeah, this is the side view of the Darbar. Bit of a drop. There's it on. Bit of a drop. There's some people buried there as well. Again, not sure who. There's the car wash on the main road. And here's Zidane. Say hello, Zidane. You okay? Good. Not sure what this is, but obviously looks like plates and stuff. Maybe people make food here or cook here. Don't touch Zidane. And yeah, just a cooking area, I guess. Rakhavian Darbar for you.